We are still on the January 2017. This is question 6. The scale on the map is 1:25,000. Then we have a follow-up question. Anderlin and JC are 31 centimeters apart on the map. Determine in kilometers the actual distance between Anderlin and JC. Now this is a straightforward question. So this is how we go about it. The interpretation of this is that 1 centimeter on the map represents an actual distance of 25,000 centimeters on the ground. Now we can rewrite this in a different form. The question is requiring us to leave our answer in the kilometers, so we can give the equivalence like this. 1 centimeter represents 0.025 kilometers, so we change the 25,000 centimeters to kilometers. Now then the question is 31.8 centimeters will represent what kilometers? So 31.8 centimeters on the map will represent how many kilometers on the ground? That is an actual distance, the actual distance between Anderlin and JC. Now to do that, we need to do some analysis over here. If 1 centimeter corresponds to 0.025 kilometers, then 31.8 centimeters will correspond to, will it be more or something less? So you can see that this will be more. So if this will be more, then less will divide. The less of these two will divide. If more, less divides. So the actual distance will be 31.8 centimeters times 0.25 kilometers divided by the less of this, which is 1 centimeters, and this will give us 0.795 kilometers. So this will cancel this and left with the kilometers. When we multiply out, we get 0.795 kilometers. So that's the actual distance between Anderlin and JC. Now the next question is the actual distance between Clifton and Jamestown is 2.75 kilometers. How many units are they on the map? How many units apart are they on the map? So we know that this is the map distance and this is the actual distance. So we have the map distance here. The actual distance is 2.75 kilometers. We don't know the map distance. So we just compare it to this. If 1 centimeter corresponds to 0.025 kilometers, then 2.75 kilometers, will it be more or it will be less? Now this will be more. So if more, then the less of this will divide. So this is less than this. So if more, then the map distance will be equal to 2.75 kilometers times 1 centimeters divided by the less of this, which is 0.025 kilometers. This will cancel out, and when we simplify, we get 710 centimeters. So that's the A aspect for you. Now let's continue to the B. The diagram below shows a square ABCD drawn inside a circle. The vertices of the square lie on the circumference of the circle. The length of a side of the square is 11 centimeters. So this is 11 centimeters. And we know this is a square, so this is also 11, 11, 11. Now the question is, show that the diameter of the circle is 11 root 2 centimeters. Now the diameter is AC. So if the diameter is AC, so this is the diameter, and this is another 11 centimeters over here. Now this is a right angle triangle, so we just go by Pythagoras theorem. We have d square equal l square plus l square, so d square will be equal to 2l squared, but the l is 11 centimeters, so we sub in to get this. Now we take the square root, the positive square root, since it's a distance, then we simplify this to get 11 root 2 centimeters as required. Now the next question is, we should find the area of the circle, leaving our answer to 2 decimal places. Now area of circle is given by pi r square, so we know the pi to be 3.142. Now this is giving us the radius. The radius is the diameter divided by 2, so divide this by 2, you get 5.5 root 2. Now we simplify this to get 190.066, then to 2 decimal places we have 190.07 centimeters square. So that is the area of the circle. Now the area of the square, we know area is given by length squared. So now the length is 11 centimeters, so this will give us 121 centimeters squared. Now the next question is the area of the shaded region. You know the area of the shaded region, this is the shaded region. Before you can find the area of the shaded region, we need to find the area of this whole region over here. This whole region. Now the area of this whole region will be the area of the circle minus the area of the square. Now that will give us this whole region, but we are looking for only one of them. So one of them, so we need to divide this into 4 equal parts, because this distance is the same as this distance, the same as this distance, the same as this distance. So dividing it into 4 equal parts will give us the area of this shaded region over here, which is 17.27 centimeters squared. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be in expectation for more videos. You can share with your friends also.